So let's take a look at these two bonds together. So we have the two chlorines, the example we did earlier, forming chlorine gas, and we have the sodium and the chlorine forming table salt, the NaCl. So the top one is a covalent bond. See if you can find the shared pair. Okay, and the bottom one is an ionic bond between sodium and chlorine. Let's see. See if you can, and actually this is, I think, the last thing on your sheet. How many similarities and differences can you find between this, an ionic bond and a covalent bond? So pause, take a minute, and then I'll go through this with you. All right, so pause your thing, and then when you come back, I'll do the answer. Okay, so here we have the ionic bond is on top now, and the covalent is on the bottom. I don't know why I switched them. All right, so let's look at the how the ionic is different from the covalent. The differences. So the top one, it's an ionic bond. Electrons move to different atoms. There's brackets in the way you draw it. There are positive and negative signs. Okay, those things do not happen in a covalent bond. If we look at the covalent bond, we can see that the electrons are shared. In this case, there's one shared pair. There are no brackets, although you can draw the Venn diagram if you want. And there are no charges because everybody's still neutral. They're just sharing. All right, now, how are they the same? They both have a plus sign on the right side of the arrow. They both have the left side of the arrow. They both have the arrow. They both have chlorine, although that's not always going to be true. And there's dots representing the electrons. So you are going to have to be drawing some of these, so it's really important that you are aware of the differences as you draw them. All right, so now you know all you need to know about chemical bonding. For now, when you get into chem and even in bio, you will look at some different types of bonding than the ones we're going over. So make sure your note sheet is all set and bring it back on the due date. And that was easy. All right, I'll see you later.